væk herfra. Danmark har nerver på. Vi tænker på jer nat og dag. Om hvordan vi nu skal.
Stronger than Superman.
My mom said I had to go because I'm too weak.
Yes, I train a lot in the Danish landscapes with my sheep and my cows. You know, I am a landman, if you know. Yes.
I'm very confident that I'm gonna win this.
This isn't a tournament.
But I'm gonna win anyway because I always win. I never lose.
Fuck you.
I'm here to make them strong. Are you ready to make some games?
You stop. You don't play me. Yes, you. Okay.
Yes, I'm in quite a crisis because I don't really know what to do, and I think this training program is way too easy. And there's this big problem with my trainer. I think he is homosexual because he sat on my lap, and that's not normal. I've had many trainers through my life, and they all said I'm one of the best, but my trainer has never said that to me. So I don't really know what to do now. Maybe quit, maybe not. It's gonna be a hard choice.
I'm not very happy today because my trainer he threw my spade out the door. And he kicked it. And he mutilated it. Just like he does with that other nerd. I'm not happy. Not at all.
I don't really feel that my students have any motivation right now. But that's life, you know.
The next episode of Stronger Than Superman. The Nerd Makes Games. The farmer loses his beard. And drama in the shower.